Turbocharger in a modern engine is an advanced mechanical device that uses exhaust energy to compress the intake air which is fed to the engine. This enhances the performance of the engine as more volume of air is available for better power and performance. This device enabled smaller engines to make its power multiple times its stock capacity. Common symptoms of failing turbocharger. 1. A failing turbocharger will result in inadequate air supply to the engine. This will result in improper combustion and throw a huge amount of black smoke from tailpipe. 2. A failing turbocharger will leak oil into the intake or exhaust of the engine, which increases the average oil burning of the engine. If you see a decrease in oil level on the dipstick without any leaks, it's time to give a check on the turbo. You might also see white or bluish smoke from exhaust and more oil burnt inside the engine or at the exhaust. 3. The turbocharger is designed to make your car reach top speeds faster. A failing turbocharger will result in reduced engine performance. When the turbo is unable to compress the air as it should be, the engine loses its ability to reach its maximum power as the amount of air supplied decreases. This affects engine response, pickup and will affect fuel mileage considerably. 4. A failing turbocharger will start to make a whining sound. Sound will increase as engine RPM increases. This noise may decrease or disappear when the turbo is completely damaged. 5. When the turbo in your car fails, you might get a check engine lamp flashing. As the volume of air which the engine should suck in decreases, this change in characteristics will be recorded by the air intake sensors.